Oh, okay, great. And also can similar thing about school. Na ye can clock sag ne omo strike omo declare no money kwan fa so ne ma ni so wo so mo ya amo anye no musa ne ade no se ene nwanwa no wa kira ade a kira sa ne me we nkiti anka ye nyina ya ko school say university kura doso ma private ones ne government universities no money ade just odwene ho kura won tie ase ne the applications of the knowledge ye ko sua wo school no kura odwene ho won tie ase.
Meno, my can't me suggest or Legon. Say, yeah, more appointment, no failure. I was here a withdrawal certificate, Now, so I go back to school. After 6 months, to me apply here. We must just get you out. The university must withdraw your certificate.
I didn't know what suggest, sir.
Again?
I didn't know what suggest, sir.
And they say Nipano, dear Wakusian is not able to apply it. Then the sofa is only the way. Now tell me, the sofa is only the way. Convince me. Say I be fear before na tell me, I want to know. Because the issue at stake is human beings here, Nyankopon a boy, ye beto bibia e fe no natural artifact. That natural artifact no ebi ni awia bosome enframa asase na ye tisui enwia ne ensu a enam epone bi ni nyina ye natural artifacts because nyame na hihye ye ena yen odasani a ye boy yen badwi ase no yen ye the natural artifact, create artificial artifacts. Artificial artifacts, a console, no, see when you know, fan air conditions, and you sue natural artifacts and generate artificial ones. Now, before you share, almost said that be a first why you use natural artifacts. Yamfa a program beyond to one, you be deplete natural artifacts, and a cover environmental management. Protection EPA no na de buy enti eno aba no say yetime generate anyama bi out of the natural artifact now we must manage the waste equally manage the waste enti say for opinion local government minister now you don't understand anything call somebody who understands the whole exercise because over here another ni time o create a whole ministry for sanitation. Ministry now create here no na the botae tertiary say baby end this final disposal na ko no omo betimi ahihye niama because yenim say waste solid waste no either obe incinerate solid waste no in the 60s to the 70s no aba betu 75 no na ye wo incinerators ubi sampanyimfo ni nyina na ye wo incinerators ablofo no jama ye a ye bola no
just incinerators ni ye bia ya sheda aye ne se ye de bola beko na ye di jatu amanashi
ni ahye correct one eno ye one method two recycling baby e de beko a ye betimi akodane waste nani e de akoye bibi foforo and three composting ye mainly for organic waste into garden waste janan bia ni sani amani na ho de ko ni akwa anu susu ya ye no abefo ni ama ansa na last one ye landfill sebia ya sheda bo amna ni ya ye no ye di ya line ni mu ni ya ye no fefefe ne ho na ye di nhuru ani gu enti sa fo yi se ebi ni eastern region no obi sa enti eastern region no mo sesa nhuru na ye de coin eni ti se omu create sa sanitation no na ka omu santiti gotem insuo akese a wo ho a ya selte no amana ye ma no na ka omu akoko dredge mu na omu make sure say every region be our recycle plant and I say wo landfill site and I say wo say and onu susu no omu beti ye no ye ma omu konya sika kakra bi no omu kotete odo na ho no na enu so koye nwonwan enti enu susu a ankusi aga eni ti say no if we don't do the right things now, na de beye a sanitation day ni akoshe t-shirt na ye di ni atwisoroku ene de eye kwa. Eno there's nothing that will come out of it.